You are going to love the 2026 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.